Good morning, family. Thought I'd bring you along while I finish harvesting the last of the bush beans and a couple other things out in the garden. Today is actually the last warm day we're gonna have. The rest of the temps are going down to the 60s, most likely 50s, lows in the 40s. Today it'll be about 74, 75. So just quick little harvest, get everything while I can before I can't and before the groundhogs get it. I did go to harvest the sweet potatoes, and they've been chewed back so many times and regrowing just the slips that I actually didn't get any. The biggest sweet potato out of the whole tub was about big as my pinky. So that's a wash for this year. I've got to figure out a way to cage everything for next year. Keep the groundhogs out of it. And I didn't get to harvest any of my basil either because they ate all of it too. So better luck next year with fighting the critters, and hopefully better harvest once I can contain everything and keep the critters out of it. Because these groundhogs are just downright disrespectful. They even got my last Cherokee purple tomato. They just ate it right off the plant. So better luck next year, but this is what we got to finish up this year. Yeah, that's what we got for today. Still a few little beans on there. They probably won't grow to anything before plants just die up from the cold. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching, fam. Bye-bye.